Hey, if you're an author and if you stop selling your book and if you think that it has not made the impact or haven't changed the lives or you haven't made the money that you anticipated on making, stop. I mean, stop. It's time to get back into the game. I don't know who I'm talking to, but it's time to dust those books off. Get off the sidelines of life and get back into the game. Go into your bedroom, go into the basement, go into the garage, go to your storage, get those books, yes, and dust them off. Yes, dust those books off. You were meant for more. You were meant to impact more lives than you could ever dream, think, or imagine. It's only the beginning. I don't care how old your book is. It can change somebody's life. So go get those books. Dust them off. Start back marketing. Start back updating. Whatever you have to do. Get back into the game. Get onto the field. Get the ball and score. You are impregnated. Yes, you are impregnated. You and your book with possibilities. So it's time for you and your book to deliver.